Hey guys, it's Kelly from BizHaven, and in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, who can be inspected by OSHA? Now, the short answer is, unfortunately, basically everyone. And what's worse, OSHA can inspect you without any notice. Now, there's definitely types of companies that OSHA is going to target more, specifically companies that have job positions that have a higher risk of injury. Now, OSHA is going to prioritize specific inspections. Situations involving imminent danger, situations involving fatalities or catastrophes, workplace complaints, planned inspections, and follow-up inspections. Now, during an OSHA inspection, they may request some things from you. Proof that the company has provided safety training, records of the trainings that have been conducted, the company's written programs for review, requests to see that the required OSHA posters are up in a conspicuous spot in the workplace. And lastly, they can even interview employees privately and confidentially to gain insight on the company's safety policies. Having your staff be caught up with safety trainings and having proof of those trainings can really help employers avoid large fines associated with OSHA inspections. If you need any help getting your safety policies, procedures, or trainings up to snuff, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to help. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you liked the video and want to stay up to date on all of our informational HR and safety videos, please subscribe below and come check out our website at www.bizhaven.com.